Hi, today I will explain how to set up SQL Server for Vatrix POS for two devices connecting through Wi-Fi router. First, we will install SQL Server Express edition. Click on Setup. Okay, new SQL Server standalone installation. Click on that. Okay, accept license and click next. Okay, click next. Okay, here just copy the instance ID and paste it on above named instance. Okay, click next. Yeah, username is SA and click on mixed mode and put the password 12345. Okay, 12345 or as per your requirement. Click next. Okay, if you get enabling OS NetFX, or if you are not able to install SQL Server 2014 Express edition, you just go to add or remove features and enable .NET 3.5. Yeah, turn off like this one. Okay, turn Windows on or off. Okay, and click here this first button, first checkbox, and click OK. Done. So it will install. Okay, SQL Server installation is complete. Okay. Now we will install SQL Server Management Studio. Install. Yeah, now we will continue setup SQL Server. Okay, here there are steps. Okay, these steps should be followed. Step number 4: configure SQL Server for LAN or Wi-Fi network. Okay. Yeah. For that one, go to computer management, manage computer. Click on services and applications. Okay, SQL Server configuration. To configure the SQL Server for network configuration. You have to enable this named pipes and TCP/IP. Right click and enable. Also, this TCP/IP also you have to enable. Okay, right click TCP/IP properties. Click on IP address and you have to put the TCP port 1433 for all, and also for all port also you have to 1433. Okay, then click apply and OK. Okay, for all port you have to mention 1433. Okay, now install Vatrix POS restaurant or any application and attach DB to SQL Server. After installation of software Vatrix POS, right click and open file location. And copy, right click, copy the DB and put it on D drive. Okay, create one folder. Vatrix data base. Okay, and paste the DB folder here. Open the folder. Right click the DB, properties, security, edit. Okay, allow. You allow all securities. Also for DB log file, all you have to go to property and you should allow the security. Also for these files also, all 4 files you have to allow the security. Okay, after allowing security, go to search bar and search for server. Okay, and select SQL Server Management Studio. Open the Server Management Studio. Click connect. Yeah, SQL Server is connected. Now we have to attach the DB. Click on database and attach and click on add. Okay, and select the DB which is copied in D drive. Click on D drive and Vatrix database. DB. Yeah, DB. Just click DB. Done. Click OK. The database attached. Now we have to rename the DB. Okay, as per your connection string DB name required, you put the DB name. Now we have to set up number 6, 7 and 8. Now we will set up the 7 one, later 6 and 8. Okay, configure Windows program. For this, just go to Firewall, Networks, go to Settings. Click type Fire on the search bar and select Windows Defender Firewall with the advanced security. Okay. Yeah. Now click on Inbound. Click New Rules and Port. Click Port. Select and specific port 1433. Click Next and allow connection. Just allow the connection. First one. Okay. Next. SQL in you have to type finish. Okay, and click on that rule and right click properties. Yeah, advanced and block edge traversal. Click on that drop down and allow edge traversal. Click apply, then click OK. Okay, click on outbound rules, new rule, port, click next, 1433, click next, allow connection, next, next, SQL out, click finish. Now we have to set up a static IP address after connecting to particular network, either LAN or Wi-Fi. Now we will set up PC static IP. Okay. For this, go to Wi-Fi or network icon at the taskbar and right click, open network setting. Click on that and drop down, scroll down and select change adapter options. Click on that and select the network under which network you have to connect the Vatrix POS or ERP software. If it is Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi option. If it is through cable LAN, select Ethernet. Okay, now I am selecting Wi-Fi. Okay, right click properties and click TCP IPv4. Okay, and click properties. Now use the following IP address. IP address we have to get it from our IP config. For that, go to search bar and click CMD and open command prompt, and here type ipconfig, and it will give connected IP address, IP4 address. So 192.168.1.184. So same I will use here. Okay. Okay, I will use here same IP. Click on use following IP address and enter the IP address 192.168.1.184, and default subnet is default 255 and 255.255.0, and gateway same gateways I will put 192.168 and 1.1. Then click OK, so that the static IP is set for this system, which is in this system we have installed SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. Okay. Now point number 7. Prepare separate connection string for SQL Server for installed PC and client PC. So I will set up first same PC for this PC and next for client PC. Okay. For the same PC, you have to enter, this is the computer, this computer name. So this computer name we can get it from desktop, this PC, right click and properties. Okay, this is the right click this PC, properties, so that it will open the computer name. This is the computer name. We have to copy the computer name, desktop R05749A. Yeah, this is the computer name, desktop R057. I have entered in this local connection string. Okay, this is the name I have entered here, desktop, and this is the number. Now we have to copy this connection string once during connection to this PC. Okay, copy this and put this connection string when you are connecting SQL Server to Vatrix POS in same system. For the client system, you just need to change. For client PC, we have to enter the IP address of this PC, which we have just set the IP address. This is the IP address we have set now, 168.1.184. So 168.1.184. This connection string we have to insert in our client PC when we connect Vatrix POS to SQL Server. So this is how you can set up through LAN wire cable or Wi-Fi router SQL Server and Vatrix POS or ERP system. So our connection string is ready. Now I am opening Vatrix POS. So I have to select cloud and select cloud. Okay, and uncheck this default connections and copy the connection. If I am connecting Vatrix POS to SQL Server in same PC, copy this connection which we have prepared and insert here and click connect. Okay, if we are connecting from client PC to SQL Server, then copy this connection string which we have just prepared and you can paste over here and click connect. This is how you can connect to from Vatrix POS client to or same PC to SQL Server.